Welcome on AiCasaDesign.com. So first thing to do is to sign up by clicking on the button over here or anywhere you can read Start for free. Once you have this screen, you can actually add your email and your password with the confirmation of your password. After that, you will receive a confirmation email with a code which you need to use in order to validate your email. Please make sure to check also the spam folder. Once you have done that, you click on sign up. If you already have your login credentials, you can actually click on login, add your credentials, and you will automatically land on your design tool. The design tool is something that you can also reach by clicking on this button over here. And here is where everything happens. So first of all, we need to decide if you want to create a video or retouch the photos. We will start with the video. And here, what we need to do is, first of all, upload some pictures. We're going to select these 4 pictures. And once they are uploaded, we can see them over here. Here we can drag them in order to decide the sequence. For example, I want to start my video with this picture over here of the outside of my apartment. After that, I can choose my orientation. I can pick landscape or portrait. For example, I will use landscape in this case. Portrait is very useful for mobile first content, for example, for TikTok, Instagram, and so on. At this point, I will choose the song, which I can preview by clicking on the little button play, and upload my logo. For example, this one. Please make sure that you upload a logo which you like, and in the best case scenario, you will have a logo without a background, so a PNG file. After that, you choose where you want to show the logo. For example, in this case, we're gonna pick top right, and the logo size, medium will be fine. And then we're gonna click start. At this point, we just need to wait, and in a few seconds, our video will be ready. Once ready, we can see our video on top of our screen. Here, we can actually download our video by clicking on download video button. And that's it. Another feature that we can use also for creating video is custom video builder. Once we go there, we can upload one picture. In this case, we're gonna select, for example, this one. And we just need to click generate video. The difference between custom video builder and quick auto video is that in custom video builder, you can actually select and control one by one each picture you want to upload. Then all the pictures will be available down here, transformed into videos. And over there, you can actually select each of them and then merge manually. As you can see, the video now is ready, is available on top right of our screen. And at the bottom, you can actually select the video we just created and other videos. And once you've done that, you click on merge videos. Here, you have few options to decide. For example, the output orientation, if you want to have portrait or landscape, the template of the merge. For example, in this case, we want no template, so it means the videos will be showed in a sequence. But you can also decide to go for a side-by-side where the 2 videos are one close to each other or top to bottom. After that, you decide for the background music, where you can actually preview the sound of each song by clicking on the play button. And last but not least, you need to decide for the order of your sequence. For example, I want to have the last picture that we just generated as first, so I will move it up. And after that, I will click merge videos. Another option we have is the photo retouching. Here we have different features we can use. For example, furnish empty room, where we can actually furnish empty rooms. For example, we're gonna select this picture over here, which is a future kitchen. And what we need to do is select the type of room, in this case will be kitchen, and the design style. To preview the different design styles, you can actually click over here on the information info box and preview how the different style looks like. Of course, we're gonna decide for one style which fits perfect our picture. In this case, we can go for modern, for example. And once we do that, we click on close. we design the design style for, in this case, modern, and we click furnish empty room. In addition, you can also specify instructions. For example, if you want to have specific materials such as wood or metal, and also different dispositions of furnitures in the area. And here you go. Here we have the kitchen that was before empty, now fully furnished. The style is exactly the same, and now the kitchen is in modern style. Of course, we can also try different style. For example, we can have more industrial, and in order to do that, we just need to click furnish empty room. And here we go. This is the new style in industrial. As you can see, again, it's keeping perfectly the style of the original picture, but with a new brand design. In this case, it's industrial. Let's take a look at furniture replacement. When we click on furniture replacement and we upload a picture, in this case, this old picture over here, with a style that we might not like. In this specific case, we're gonna have this as selected as room kitchen. Design style, we wanna completely change into something more contemporary. And we click replace furniture. As you can see here, you can also, in addition, specify furniture to replace. So for example, if we want just to replace one specific piece, or additional instructions such as materials, location of furnitures, and colors. And here we go. Now we have a fully modern kitchen with a very minimal furniture and the original shape and form of the room. As usual, you can actually download the result by clicking on the download result. With empty room, actually you can empty the room by any type of furniture inside. You just need to upload the picture and click empty the room. And here we go, starting from the original. Now we have a completely empty picture with no furniture at all. With this one, we can actually also furnish as empty room and then create a video out of it. Last but not least, I want to talk about room finishing. Room finishing, that's the opportunity to finish rooms still under construction. For example, in this case, we still have walls in construction and unfinished. By clicking finish room, we're going to have a picture where everything is ready and prepared to furnish. In addition, as optional, you can also specify any particular requirements in the specific box down here. And here we go. We have now a finished room, which we can use for the next steps. As usual, you can download the result and upload in the furnish empty room. Here, for example, you can choose, select the type room. In this case, we can choose as a living room, office, hallway, and so on. For this specific case, we're gonna go for office. Select the design style. In this case, will be modern. And we click furnish empty room. And in a few seconds, our newly transformed picture is done. As you can see, it's an office, which started from, first of all, an unfinished room, then a finished room, and now fully furnished as an office. Of course, we can download the result and upload into our video creation tool. For example, we pick custom video builder, change the picture, select the one we just created, and click generate video. And here we go. Now you have a video of a picture that was not existing before of an unfinished room that now is an office. And that's it. Thank you for watching and have fun with AiCasaDesign.com.